What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and in today's video, I got something special for y'all, man. Matter of fact, let me just show y'all my waves, show y'all where they at. They need a Hatman. I need to do a Hatman, man. I need to condition. Not only that, Hatman is pretty good. So today's video, we're gonna be doing the Hatman method for the first. Actually, not the first time. I've tried it once. I liked it. I tried it when my hair was a little thicker. I don't know if I did it right, but I didn't like it the second time. This time, we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna give my honest opinion. This is like my end of all about the Hatman. So I tried when my hair was low and it worked really good. I tried when my hair was like medium and it wasn't so good. But right now my hair is medium right now, but it's tamed. When I did try it, I tried it when my hair was medium, but it wasn't tamed. It was all over the place and it wasn't maintained. So it's good to keep your hair maintained. Make sure you're brushing every day. If not every day, at least once a day. It gotta be once a day, bro. You can't, bro. Can't be a waver unless you're brushing, bro. You gotta brush. So in today's video, since I just washed and styled about a day ago, I don't want to keep washing my hair like that. So I'm gonna basically use this conditioner as a cold wash, and I'm gonna just rinse my hair and apply it in for y'all. We're gonna do the Hatman method. Gang, stay tuned. All right, y'all. So now that my hair is wet, all I did was wet my hair. That's it. Now you want to apply this in your hair, right here. Hopefully y'all can see that. We're gonna shake it up real quick just to make sure everything is healthy amount. Nice healthy amount, right? Rub it around, rub it around. Just like that.
So, look, I dropped some on my shoulder, oh my god. So, yeah, get that off your shoulder. That's still a good product right there. Don't let it fall like I did. Honestly, this is not my method, I forgot the method this was, I remember watching a video, but, I've seen a lot of people try it, and, this is my third time trying it, so even if it don't come out good on this video, at least I tried it. If it do come out good, then hey, y'all can follow how I do mine. It's no different than everybody else's, this is just me experiencing it from my waves, so y'all can see how it is on my waves. Because like I said, the first time I did it was cool. Second time I did it, I didn't really like it. This time, we don't know, we shall see. Maybe I put too much, I don't know. Y'all can let me know in the comments, man. It's not like I'm professional, so I be acting like people gotta be professional when they give me these tips. I'm not giving tips. I'm just showing y'all how I'm doing it. How I'm doing it from my level. See, that's the problem with some of y'all wavers. Y'all think some of these methods is really y'all methods, when half of y'all are just doing the recycle methods. See me? I might do a recycle method, but I'm not gonna sit there and act like I created it. I'm just doing the method so my supporters can see how it is for my hair. How it works for me. Or maybe they haven't seen the video refreshed in a long time, so I'm gonna do it. So they can see it from my hair, so they can see how to do it. Especially if it's a method I know that works. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so you wanna get a nice amount, just like that, where it can start laying the hair down. I heard these are very good for looks.
that's said and done, take another amount. And we'll just fully lay everything down. Everything is brushed into place, right? Make sure we don't drop down on our shoulder this time. You dig?
It don't have to be a pound this time, it can just be a little bit. Because you already put a lot in. Make sure everything is in place.
You know, I use the Rico merch rag for everything. I want to let y'all know that you can use it for everything. You know, I got one I wear normally, and this one is particular my wash rag. And I know it's my wash rag by how this one looks, but and the difference between the other one. So that's good to have two. Now let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes in your hair. Then give your hair, rinse it out, let your hair dry with your do-rag on, come back, show y'all the results. Give your hair about an hour to dry, top. So this is gonna take an hour and probably 15 minutes, y'all. Fully, like, you know, throw a do-rag, throw a beanie on or whatever you can keep the heat in. Come back 10, 15 minutes, rinse it out. I got it all over me, man. I'm ready to rinse it out already, but I gotta wait. After that, you give your hair about an hour to dry. Y'all gonna see me in about a couple seconds, but yeah, y'all know what I mean. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna be showing y'all the final results of the Hatman method. Now, I told y'all it can't work once for me. It worked, didn't work a second time. Now we're gonna see how it worked this time. It is what it is. I'm just gonna come out the rag. Now things will be a lot more A1 if I had a nice taper and a lineup and an even cut. Right now I need to woof because I need to get some stuff fixed, you know. So I need to get back on my brush routine, get back on it, and just go hammer and go in, man. But y'all see it, man, a lot of stuff, like I said, a nice little taper, clean all this up, taper, clean that up, and a nice even cut. I'm telling you, the wave will be busting out. So, but I'm gonna start cutting like not that low. I'm gonna start getting like a 3. I want to find where my curl lane stops. Like how deep, how much can I go with keeping it super laid? You know, I need to get back on my routines, you know, brush sessions and just laying it down. But honestly, right now, I think I just need an all even cut. You know, just to get the little fuzzy hairs off the top and make everything completely even. Because there's a few spots that stick up and stuff like that I need to fix. Kind of like right here, over here, you know, and then in the back. I need to fix the back and the whole crown area, you know, tighten that up a little bit more, spend more time in my brush sessions there, start my brush sessions off in the back. With that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn this video up for me one time. Get it to 100 likes if you can. And I'm back rolling out videos. Yes, I know it's been a week or so. Coronavirus been going around. I work at a store that stays open, so they've been giving me crazy hours, and I'm going to try to balance it out to where I can still drop bangers for y'all. So there's no excuse. I should still be dropping bangers because I do get a time when I come home. But either way it go, man, I'm back. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, I'm going to tell you again because I know you haven't already. What are you waiting on? You watching my videos, but you haven't subscribed. What's the point of watching me if you're not going to subscribe? Like, what is your problem, bro? You watch my videos I know you right there, you watch my videos all the time, bro. You watch my videos all the time. And you ain't subscribed? What's up with you? Man, I don't even want to hear it.